have a special one here today. As you know, I need one more winning day of at least 200 to get a payout. So I'm just gonna record the full trading day so you guys see exactly what I do to win and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm on the 15 minute right now. We see that it swept these highs, equal highs, almost swept these lows. I expected to come back down, probably come sweep these lows down here at the bottom, down here. I'm gonna go down to the 1 minute. It's about to open up. Let's see what goes down. Damn, those are fat ass. All right. Actually, it'll probably come back up and sweep this line one more time, just because of how much liquidity is up there. Not as much liquidity is down here, so I would expect it to flip up, sweep this, and shoot down here to this this line right here, and then this down here. Yesterday's low, but that'll probably not be till later, so let's not worry about that. So yeah, I'm gonna just pop in and out here as you guys watch this beautiful trading. Look at that beautiful entry right here off the full sweep of this fair value. I don't even got to risk 400 off this one, for it's already in the money, up 400 already. I might scalp this one just because of what happened on my last one. Stop loss move to break even, up 500. Depending on this candle, I'm just close it just because of what happened last time. We're seeing equal highs, flipping. It might come back down and sweep some more liquidity. Yeah, no, I'm gonna stay in this one. Yeah, we straight. Yeah, we straight. All right, boom. Another winning trade here. Double A trades. Best trader ever of all time on the internet. You know what it is. Up 6. I'll just close this one out. All right, 500 up there. I don't like how it's moving. So secure the profit, see money, take money type of day. I could close right here, but I am going to be a little bit greedy here just because I don't want to stop trading so early. It's only 8:33. After this, I just goon. So why not give me something else to do? I'll just wait for an entry. I'm going to pop back in whenever I see another entry right here. Ending off camera. I'm at $100 profit. Don't ask me what happened. I'm not going to tell you. So shout out Andrew again. And I'm going to wait for these sweeps to come back down around this level. Then I'm going to take a long. And then I'm going to make $1 million and buy a Lamborghini and then buy a bunch of Coke and strippers. So yeah, that's what my plan is for today. So yeah, let's see how it plays out. All right, I'm in. I expected to at least come back and hit this fair value gap up at the top. Beautiful reaction right there. Actually, I'm gonna go for 19. Why not? Why not go for 2? I want 2 though. 3. Said the beautiful Devin Booker one time. Shout out Devin Booker. Let's go. I'm gonna let this bit play out. Based off this reaction, I might scalp because that's what's killing me is my greed. I've been really greedy lately, and it's been fucking me pretty bad. So I'm gonna just let this play out real quick. So yeah, let's go. Let's see what happens. Like this bounce back. Just go tap my take profit. Thank you. We're now up $1,000. American USD up 1,000. I could close it out here. I am at around $3,900 payout guaranteed. Should I be greedy? Should I not? That's the question we all ask ourselves. And today I feel like I should. I have a little bit of extra cushion now that I'm up 1,000. I kind of like seeing the 2,000 in my account. This is not financial advice, by the way. I'm a dumbass, and if you do this, you're gonna lose all your money. But I've already been through that. I've already done all that, so I can afford to do this. But I'm just showing you what trades to take. That was a great trade. If it does come back and sweep this again, I'm gonna come back and short it. So yeah, I'm gonna just mute and let's see what it does. Back up, I'm gonna come up and short it. 2 contracts, but we'll see what it does. Let's see, just touch it. All right, it's in. I'm in. Let's go ahead and put that short. See it coming down here. It's actually good. Nice trade, bro. Thanks. All right, so come back here. Expect it to come get this liquidity down here. We've seen that it's bullish liquidity at the bottom, so it needs a little bit of a power up to come down and sweep, then shoot back up. So I'm gonna just let this play out. Already in the money, 300. Should I move my stop? Yeah, I'm moving my stop. Matter of fact, just move it to $20 so I can't lose. In case it does this, like what it's doing right now, just edging me a little bit. Let's see. Let's see what it does. If it keeps pushing, if this candle closes bullish, I will just go ahead and end it. If it doesn't touch my stop loss, I already did. Nice little $20. Can't be mad at it. I might go take the same one, which is kind of stupid. I should have just stayed in it because look at this. I could have just secured $200. But I've been talking about greed. That's what it is. So can't even be mad. That's the biggest thing you guys gotta realize, bro. It's easy to click buy, sell, take profit, stop loss, all that. But the hardest thing in trading is gonna be psychology, bro. Because if you trade emotionally, you're just gonna lose, and that's the case. And I'm gonna just take a short right here. I don't see it breaking this. If it does, I have a little bit of cushion. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be a millionaire. So that's how I'm seeing it. However, anyway, psychology. Yeah. So first few times I traded, I did pass my very first ever combine, and I was hyped, and then I blew it the next day instantly, just because I didn't have any rules. I didn't know that about the psychology. and about trading emotionally. And I was just slamming buy, sell, all that because I thought I knew because I passed the combine. However, you just need to get into the market and get a feel for these candles, what they're going to do. Look at that beautiful off the fair value gap. Anyways, you got to get a feel for the market. You know, there's a good saying, time in the market is more important than timing the market. And that's just a banger of a saying, you know. So that's honestly the truth. Because you could try and time the market and predict what it's going to do, you'll never be right. However, if you've been in the markets long enough, you see what it does, you experience it. Well, I'm gonna take this right there. Boom, 1,400. I already got $4,000 guaranteed to my bank already. I kind of want 5 though. I just need 17. All right, we'll see if there's any market setups. But anyways, I forgot what I was saying. But yeah, just get in the market, bro. Lose some money. You're gonna have to lose money before you make a lot. I've lost thousands, and I made thousands. So yeah, let's see what happens next. Off the fair value gap that was just created. I wanted to go sweep these highs, bro. I really do, and I think it is. Just because there's so much volume out there that needs to be swept, and it hasn't yet. And I was a little late. I should have entered off this fair value gap, and I saw that. But I waited for it to go back down at least before getting top ticked on a long. That's what you never want to do. Have a bad entry all the way up here because I would have been stopped out. So, you know, so we're gonna do it now. Let's see how it plays out. All right, I just scalped it there at the top. I don't like this volume. So I'm gonna let this trade out. I'm gonna come back if there's anything better. So yeah, let's see. Off that fair value gap once again. Nice entry here. I want to see it sweep these damn highs, bro. It does not want to sweep these highs. But some strong volatility to the upside. I do expect it to go sweep these highs and reverse back down. I might take a short up there depending on if it goes. Um, if it doesn't go, I'm just gonna lock it and take my money. Either way, I'm walking away with around 4 bands today. Great day. God is good. You know. Let's see how it plays out. Yeah. All right, I'm getting edged right now pretty hard. Probably just gonna tap my stop loss, but if it does, I'm just gonna lock out for the day and just chill. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Pretty high volume to the upside though off this fair value gap. There you go, a little bit in the money. I'm gonna go ahead and move this down just back to here to make some money, secure some money. Let's see. Where is it? There it is. Let's see what happens. I think I'm just gonna lock out right here. 1,200 is good. All right, let's go. Locked out. Secured $4,000 for the day. Gonna hit the bank account. Yeah, let's get it. Double A trading, best trader on the internet. You know how it goes.